Oh, the mosquitoes! There's like 1,000. It's fine. I'll carry the camera gear.
Yeah, that's your job.
Don't worry about it. I'll just... I'm Ben Cummings, a videographer from Woodstock, New Brunswick, and most of the time I'm homesteading, taking care of my plants and animals, but sometimes work and play gets me into some crazy situations. I'm nervous. I'm stuck. This is Homegrown Away from Home. Oh, this is great. For those who aren't familiar with Trekkit ATV, it's a show produced by Ryan Groom, this guy right here. Basically, it's about 4 guys in their late 40s who bought ATVs for the first time and are trying to get the hang of riding them, following the trails, and deciphering trail maps. Now, after having 2 seasons, both of which are available on their website now, they've asked me to join and film their most daring feat yet, circumnavigating New Brunswick. So tonight is our official first meeting for the trip. We will see how it goes. I don't really know what to expect. I know we're going to try to circumnavigate the province. We're going to go around New Brunswick in 2 weeks. We've got 2 weeks, rain or shine. We're going to see what we can do. So that's the plan. How we're actually going to pull it off, I'm not entirely sure.
You're all covered with mud, and you just flipped your bike,
and the
and
camera is right here.
Yeah.
And the microphone is built in right here.
yeah. Because we don't got time. Because we don't got time to mic you up. Like you've just fallen off your bike.
Now the easiest way to do this, of course, would have just been to do it in chunks, like Woodstock and Floresville, Evanston, whatever, until you've just like, yay, I did it, I got all of New Brunswick. But Ryan, being the crazy sucker that he is, decides that we should do it all in one go, in 14 days, 2,500 kilometers. Now, up until now, we've really just been like planning, having meetings, doing a little bit of pre-production.
We're going to stay at Dad's house that night on the ocean, so there's time lapse capability right there.
You know, I want to get Nisku Island. I want to get, well, we already have like Friar's Nose. We need some St. John, Sussex stuff, but I don't know that area yet.
We leave in like 2 weeks. So I don't think any of us really know what we're in for. Okay, so I got a set of ramps last night, and the last time that I loaded an ATV onto a truck, I had it in 2-wheel drive, not 4-wheel drive, so I ended up just bashing in to the back window. Luckily it had a back rack, so it didn't break, but this time I'm nervous. We'll see if I can load my own ATV onto my truck without breaking anything. I don't really know what to do with the ramps now, because here I can slide them on. Oh yeah, that'll work. Finally, it came day to actually do some pre-production. This is our first filming outing for Trekkit. There's the guys back there trying to figure things out. I actually don't know where we're going. I'm just kind of following along, and we've been lost, what, twice-ish now? So we'll see. We got Rodney and Ryan trying to figure things out over there. I'm just along for the ride to film things and having some fun. You only typed in escape.
I didn't say we got no service.
Now, if this short trip is any indication of how the 2 weeks is going to go, but I don't know if we're actually going to finish it, because this alone, we got turned around, lost, and I don't know, we may die. Now these are just these skedaddle ridge trails around here, around where Rodney actually said he knew, so I can't imagine getting turned around or lost up north, near Bathurst or Edmonton. I don't know what we're gonna do. Fortunately enough, we actually made it to our destination. We made it to Chimney Rock. We finally made it.
This is our second filming outing.
Am I good enough for Trekkit?
Yeah, you get an A+ so far. An A+ so far.
It's getting dark. The mosquitoes are bad.
I know.
Yeah.
Well,
We got-
we're about to load up and roll out.
Yeah. But we're just hoping my belt will get us home because she's squeaking like a.
Yeah, Ryan ate
Hungry.
too much lunch. Oh, different belt?
Yeah, not this belt. This belt I've lost. Like I can go in one more. I'm getting my TV body going here.
Oh, the mosquitoes! There's like 1,000. It's fine. I'll carry the camera gear.
Yeah, that's your job.
Don't worry about it. I'll just do the. Oh my God, they're so itchy. I can't even scratch when I'm filming these. Oh my. By the time we finished filming, the sun was going down, and we're how many K out?
About 40, 42.
40.
But a nice little cruise won't be that. You know, 45 minutes we could get out of here.
45 minutes, he says. That's a long time. And the dark is coming.
The bugs won't be bothering you.
That's true, but the dark is coming. I gotta get on my bike.
Darkness is coming.
Darkness is coming swiftly. Okay. Let's get out of here. I just didn't want to get lost again.
There's a pinch in the trail.
Now we obviously made it back, but I don't know how well that bodes for our trip. This was supposed to be a simple outing, and now I genuinely don't know if I'm prepared or if the guys are even ready. Now, actually, we are headed out next weekend. So if you want to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok even, or even follow the Trekkit YouTube page, I'll be trying to keep everybody updated as much as possible. But yeah, we got 2 weeks. I have no idea what's in store when we hit the trail.